wonder what's inside of an alarm clock? A basic one like this. Yeah, let's find out. First, unplug. There we go. Take the screws out. Not a whole lot, is there? Unplug that. We got a speaker. Got your capacitors. These guys, the ones here are resistors. This is the. We got some other coils going on here. You got your switches. You got another diode there. More resistors. This is the transistors. These little black guys. I thought there's a little. Oh, that's a little battery there or something. And that's a big capacitor. And there's some more resistors and diodes there. And then this is a transformer here. And here's your adjustment to make for your radio. You know, when you turn this potentiometer and adjustments, that moves the needle there. So you're turning the wheels. And you would turn this to make your tuning and your volume. And processor chip. So I'm just getting rid of this alarm clock. I thought I'd share with you guys what's inside of an alarm clock. And you got a magnet here on the back of that. See? And then that's what it entails. And I'm going to go ahead and take out this wire here, because then you can use that 9-volt wire harness for something else. If you want to use a speaker for something else, you can. If you want to use a transformer for something else, you can as well. But here you are. This is the blown up part of the alarm clock. We can go in here and cut that off. Cut that off. There. And then you take that. You'll have to get the knot out. And then you can use that wiring harness for another project. If you wanted to try reusing some of these resistors for another job, you could. And the transformer too. You can use that for, so nothing really there on that side. So you would have to nicely cut the wires, and then you could figure out what the output is coming from it. That might be something else here that's feeding this wire. There. There's your transformer. Pretty sure it's stepping it down, going from 120 down to like maybe 9 volts or 12 volts or 24 volts, something. But anyway, I'll get that pulled out. Alright, well I hope you thought that find out a little interesting what's inside this alarm clock. And this is an older one. It's not like the wireless charging ones that they can get today, but enjoy. Thanks.